Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. So let me show you the issue first. Just click on the start button and then click on this settings option and then click on this network and internet option. So you can clearly see that the Wi-Fi option is missing in this list, and you can see that the internet is also not connected. You can click on this Wi-Fi icon also, and you can see that it is not showing the networks. So if you're also facing this issue, then the way to resolve this issue is, so the first method that I'm going to tell you now is, just go to the search bar and just type msconfig. Just click on this search result system configuration, click on yes, and now just go to the services tab. Make sure that all the services mentioned in this list are checked. So you can see that this service is not checked, and there are some other services also which are not checked. So make sure that all the services in this list are checked. You can do so by just clicking on this button enable all, and then just click on the apply button, click on OK button. After this, just click on this restart button to restart your system, and then check whether your issue is fixed or not. So I will not restart right now. So this was method number one. If method number one didn't work for you, then just try out method number two. Go to the search bar and just type device manager. Yeah, just click on the search result device manager, click on yes, and now just expand this network adapters. Now just click on the wireless driver. So in my system it is Intel dual band wireless AC3168. In your system it may be something else written over here. So it will have this word wireless, and it may be like 802 point something like that. So just click on that driver, right click over it, and just click on this update driver option. Now just click on this first option, search automatically for updated driver software, and this is telling that the best driver for your device are already installed. Now just click on this back button, and now just click on this browse my computer for driver software option. Click on this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then choose this first one, this Intel one, and then click on the next button. So the drivers are now updated. Just click on the close button and close this window, and just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So you can see that the issue is still not resolved. So now we'll move to the third method. So just go to the search bar and just type services.msc. Yeah, just click on the search result services, click on yes. Now in this services list, just search for WLAN autoconfig. So here it is, WLAN autoconfig. Just right click over this, click on properties option, and now just change the startup type from disabled to automatic, and then click on the apply button, and after this just start this service by clicking on the start button. Just click on the OK button now. Now just close this, and now let's see whether our issue is resolved or not. So you can see that it has started showing the networks and our issue is resolved. Let us check in the settings also. So you can see that the Wi-Fi option is now showing in the menu. So this is how you can resolve the issue of Wi-Fi not showing in settings in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.